Let's start it up. The first car we have on our list is a 2017 Mercedes GLS 450. This car looks amazing and it's a big Mercedes, so it looks like a $100,000 car. The next two cars that we have is the Infiniti QX80, the Cadillac Escalade, and the Lincoln Navigator. With a rich history in the luxury SUV lineup, these vehicles look like straight out of a mafia movie. Wherever you take these cars, they will stand out because they're so big and elegant. The next car we have is a Maserati. This 3-liter is assembled and designed by Ferrari. If this car is well put together, it looks like a baby Ferrari on the road. So with that being said, it definitely made it on our list. The next car on our list is a Porsche 911. This car is notorious for being able to do everything on the road. So this is a really good ride, and if you look at the car, it looks like new. You can't differentiate between a new Porsche and an old Porsche unless you know about cars. The car we have after this is a Bentley Continental. The older Bentleys you can get for like $20,000 to $25,000 nowadays, and you can make them look like that, which is really nice. We also have the Corvette C6. This car too, like, it's fast. It provides the sport car feel. This Corvette has a vibe of a supercar. And the last car we have on our list is a Mercedes S-Class, the 2016 shape. This car too, you're buying this for around $30,000, and because it was a $100,000 car, you really see it. It has that Rolls Royce kind of vibe. The rims with a lot of spoke really pull out the look. Like the video, comment what list you want next, and subscribe.